At Florida Eye Specialists, we are proud to offer the latest advancements in cataract technology, including the light adjustable lens. The light adjustable lens is great because it allows us to fine-tune your vision, so you're customized to your particular needs. Whether you're looking for better distance vision for driving, tennis, golf, or any sports you may play, versus better reading vision, up-close work, sewing, crafting, all these things can be customized to you. In traditional cataract surgery, the standard lens is a fixed lens. That means that if you target for distance vision, you get distance vision, but you may need some glasses for your up-close reading. Or vice versa, if you like to take your glasses off to read, you would need glasses for the distance vision. However, if you're looking to get out of glasses for your particular activities, the light adjustable lens may be right for you. With this lens, we usually target the patients for distance vision, and after surgery, we add in the reading vision with an easy, non-invasive light treatment that changes the shape of the lens while it's inside your eye. So with this technology, we can customize your vision. If you're interested, come on into Florida Eye Specialists and we can help you decide what your best cataract surgery options are.